Fine, ma'am.
And children, kindly turn on your cameras.
Yeah.
I hope children, you all have understood the chapter, the quadratic equations, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now also you came to know that which type of questions came from this chapter, quadratic equation, in your board exam. Right, beta? Now
Yes,
today I'm going to start a new chapter, that is your arithmetic progression. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes.
ma'am.
So turn on your cameras, children. Yes, children. You have seen these type of patterns in sometime in your book, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and then 11, or you can say 0, -2, -4, -6, -8, so on, or you can say 3, 6, 9, 12, and then 50.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Right?
I
These
have
type of
problems
patterns,
with them.
yes, these type of patterns you have seen, right, in your lower classes also, right? In grade 5 there were chapter patterns, right? Pattern and symmetry. So these type of patterns where an arrangement of the numbers and arrangement of the numbers of which one number is designated to second, designated as a first number, designated as first, another as the second, and another as the thirds, and so on, is known as sequence, is known as sequence. So these type of patterns, if you see, then these type of patterns are called sequence. Right, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? What do you mean by sequence?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Sometime you can see pattern like this: A plus B, then A plus B plus B, then A plus B plus B plus B, or you can say A plus B, A plus 2B, and A plus 3B. So this is also a sequence. Right, beta? Now if you have given this pattern A square, and then A cube, A raised to the power 4. This is also a pattern, right? So in your logical reasoning, these type of questions came. Find the 17th term, find the 20th term. So these are the sequence. So in each of these arrangement, your numbers are arranged in a definite order according to the some rules. Some rules are applied here. If you are seeing this A plus B, A plus B plus B plus. So if you will observe this, that here first term is your A. First term is A. Children, kindly be on unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
So first term is A. And then your second term will be
B.
A plus B, right? Then third term will be A plus 2B. So here is some pattern that you are adding B to the preceding term. So here first term is A. After adding B to this first term, you will get second term. And then after adding b to the second term, you will get third term. Right, children? So there is some rule, there is some pattern.
Okay, ma'am.
Right? So basically a sequence is an arrangement of the number in a definite order according to the sum rule. Clear? So suppose if you have a sequence like this, I'm writing multiples of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So here this is your first term. And first term is equal to 2. You will represent first term like A1 is equal to 2. Right? Then second term will be 4. Third term will be 6. And then fourth term will be 8. So children, if you will observe that there is a difference of 2. Am I correct, children? There is a difference of 2.
Yes,
See,
ma'am.
your first term is 2. Then your second term will be 2 plus 2 na? Then third term will be 2 plus 2 plus 2. And your fourth term is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So in this way, you will get that there is a, suppose you are adding 2 plus 2, you will get 4. When you are adding 4 plus 2, you will get 6. When you are adding 6 plus 2 to 6, you will get 8. When you are adding 2 to 8, you will get 10. In this way, then you will get 12. Right, beta? So,
Ma'am, could you show from starting, ma'am? I still did not write.
okay. Arend, let me complete this beta, then I will show, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So, children, here is a number 2, right? Which remains constant during the whole sequence. That 2 you are adding to each number. First, when you are adding 2 to the first term, you will get second term. When you are adding 2 to the second term, you will get third term. So in this way, you will get the sequence. Clear, children? Understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Now suppose, see, if I will ask you that write first 5 terms, of the sequence given by, suppose a sequence is given by an is equal to 3n plus 2. So this is our general term. This is our general term, and we have to find first 5 terms. So what you people will do, that you will put first of all n is equal to 1, because first 5 terms will be a1, a2, a3, a4, a5. So you will put n is equal to 1. Then this equation will become a1 is equal to 3 multiply 1 plus 2. So it will be 3 plus 2, 5. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Now put n is equal to 2. Now second term will be 3 into 2 plus 2. So it will be 3 to the 6 plus 2, it will be 8. Now in this way, you will put n is equal to 3. Then third term will be 3 into 3 plus 2. So 3 3s are 9 plus 2, it will be 11. Now in the same way, you will put n is equal to 4. So fourth term will be 3 into 4 plus 2. Then 12 plus 2, 14. So n is equal to 5. Then fifth term will be 3 into 5 plus 2. So it will be 15 plus 2, 17. Right? So at the end, you will write your answer as this. Therefore, the sequence is A1, comma, A2, comma, A3, comma, A4, comma, A5, so on. So write 5, 8, 11, 14, and 7. So children, if you will observe that in this sequence, you have got got a constant number, you can say 3. But after the number 3 you are adding, you are getting the succeeding term. When you are adding 3
Ma'am?
to pass, yes, beta.
Ma'am, what if just the numbers are given and we are asked to figure out the sequence like 3n plus 2? How are we
This will
supposed to
be
know?
given in
like,
your this will be given in your question. This is your general term. Suppose multiples of 2, how you can form? So see, 2 raised to the power n, right? 2 raised to
Ma'am,
the power n, or you can write 2 raised to the 2n. So in this way, you will find the, if you are putting n is equal to 1, then you will get 2. Then 2 to raised to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, then 2 raised to the power 4, 2 raised to the power 5, right? In this way, you will get the sequence. If 2n is
yes,
there, when you are putting n is equal to 1, then 2, 4, 6, 8, right, beta?
ma'am,
So this is the generalized term, yes?
ma'am, but in an exam which I wrote, did not mention any like 3n plus 2 or some or
They will
any kind of
mention,
sequence.
don't worry. Okay? In
Okay,
grade
ma'am.
10, they will mention all the things. So children, first of all, tell me, have you understood this thing? How you will write the first 5 terms of the sequence given any nth term, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Siddharth, Aryan, Abhinav, Moksha, Meher.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Okay, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Okay. Please note this. And if you will take maths in your grade 11, then you will see this type of questions like sequence. And in 11th grade, you will see geometric progression, GP. This is your AP. And children, you have to send your classwork and as well as homework. Okay?
Chapter, ma'am.
This chapter only with arithmetic progression. And on coming Sunday, you will be having your subjective test. And it will be from this AP only. Okay?
And ma'am, what homework, ma'am? Today's homework, ma'am.
Yes, today's homework. Today's
Okay.
homework as well as class.
Okay.
Aaron, what about previous homework?
Completed, ma'am.
But you have not sent to me.
I'm forgotten.
Siddharth,
Yes, ma'am.
Meher,
Ma'am, I didn't do it.
Meher, do your homework on regular basis, okay?
Okay, ma'am. I was not there in
Hardly
my
I'm
home.
giving you 2 or 3 questions, not more than 2 or 3.
Okay, ma'am, I'll do today's.
Yes. Children, return. May I scroll down?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Here, your homework.
Yeah, ma'am, I've done it, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, could you scroll a bit up, ma'am? 1 minute.
This RN?
I'm completed. Thank you.
Okay. Done, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Now next is now again we have to write first 5 terms of the sequence. Suppose nth term is given by -1 raised to the power n and 2 raised to the power n. -1 raised to the power n and 2 raised to the power n. Yes, Meher? Unmute yourself, Meher. Moksha?
Yes, ma'am.
Moksha, we need to find first 5 terms, right? So as we did in previous question, so which value I have to put for n for find the first term?
Ma'am, -1.
See, beta, we have to write 5 first term. So A1, A2, A3, A4, and A5. Okay. So here it means when you are comparing these two, then n value of n will be 1 now. So you
Yes,
will
ma'am.
value of n as 1. Now put A1 will be -1 raised to the power 1, then 2 raised to the power 1. So it will be minus, got it?
Yes, ma'am. Got it, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, beta. Abhinav. Abhinav,
ma'am.
unmute yourself. Now, which
Yes,
value
ma'am.
we have to put?
Ma'am,
Yes.
2.
Yes. So put n is equal to 2. Then A2 will be, tell Abhinav.
Minus 2, -1 to the power 2.
Yes,
So
and
it's
2 raised
1,
to the power 2.
2.
So when you are, see, -1 whole square, it will be 1.
4. 1.
1 into 2
Eight.
square is
4.
4. So it will be
4.
right. Now next is Dharya.
Yes, ma'am.
Now which value we have to put for find the
A3, ma'am. 3, 3, 3.
yes. N is equal to 3. Then speak Chiveta.
Yes, ma'am.
Speak what I have to write here.
Yeah, -1 is to power 3, which is -1 into 2 is to power 3, which is 8. So minus.
Yes. Now here is odd power. So when you are multiplying -1 3 times by itself, you will get -1 only. Then 2 raised to the power 3 is 8. So you can write minus. Right, beta? Siddharth, Siddharth, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Siddharth, tell me now which value we have to put.
Ma'am, 4 is n is equal to 4, ma'am.
N is equal to
4.
4. Yes. Then,
A4 is equal to minus 1 to the power of 4
yes,
into 2 to the power of 4.
yes. Now, minus 1 raised to the power 4 will be minus 1
1
or plus 1?
plus 1, ma'am.
Okay. And 2 raised to the power 4 is?
16, ma'am.
Yes. Good, beta. Now, next is Aryan.
Ma'am, put n equal to 5.
Put N is
A5,
equal to 5.
A5
Then,
equal.
yes,
Somebody say. Ma'am, A5 equals to minus 1 power 5 into 2 power 5.
yes. Now, when you are multiplying minus 1 5 times, so you will get plus 1 or minus 1?
Minus 1.
Minus 1. Then multiply 2 raised to the power 5 is
32.
32. So it will be minus 32, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So at the end, you will write your answer as, therefore, the sequence is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, so on. So just write the values. A1 is minus 2, A2 is 4, A3 is minus 8, A4 is 16, and A5 is minus 32. This is the answer. Understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
All have understood? May I proceed to next question? All
Yes,
have done?
ma'am.
All have done?
Yes, ma'am.
Done,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
1 minute, ma'am.
Yes, Aryan?
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am. I'm writing.
Done, Aryan?
What?
Ma'am, I'm still writing. Completed, ma'am.
Darren? Darren?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you like singing?
No, ma'am.
Then who were singing?
I'm sorry, ma'am. I was just.
Yes, done, beta, Aryan?
Yes, ma'am. Completed. Thank you.
Okay. Now next question, children. Now again you have to write the first 5 terms and the sequence is given by n term is equal to n square minus n plus. So kindly do in your notebook and show me your notebooks after completing this question. Hurry up.
Ma'am, how many terms, ma'am?
5 terms.
Okay.
Right. First 5 terms. Done, children?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am.
Okay, beta.
Completed, ma'am.
Done,
Done?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Show me your notebook, Arif.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, Moksha. Good. Keep closer to the screen. Yes, good. Moksha, yes. Keep closer to the screen. Good, Aryan.
Thank you.
Good, Moksha. Dharya. Yes, Abhinav. Keep closer. It is quite blur. Yes, 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 yes. N square 1 minus 1, that is 4 minus 2. Yes, good, beta. Meher. Yes, Dharya. Good. Okay, Dharya. Who is left? Meher. Meher. Good, Meher. Siddharth.
Ma'am, my video is not working.
So you need to send it to me. Okay, by WhatsApp.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Siddharth.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, children, you all have done the correct. So you have put here 1, 2, 3. A1 is equal to 1 square minus 1 plus 1, it will be 1. Then A2 will be 2 square minus 2 plus 1 in this way, right? Now next question is, children, you have to find the indicated term of the following sequence. Suppose you have given the sequence 5n minus 4. And here you have to find A12 and A30. So what do you mean by this? You have to find A12. It means that you have to put value of n as 12. Fine, beta? So to find A12 you need to find. When you are going to compare these, you will get value of n as 12. So put n is equal to 12. Then your 12th term will be 5 into 12 minus 4. So 12 5s are 60. Minus 4, it will be 56. Okay? Got it, beta? Now A30.
Yes,
It means
ma'am.
you have to put n is equal to 30. So A30 will be 5 into 30 minus 4. So 150 minus 4. So 146 is the answer. Understood, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Please note this. After noting it, find sequence is given nth term is equal to 3n minus 2 upon 4n plus 5. And you need to find 7th term and your 10th term. Find out it and tell me the answer.
Ma'am, is the answer 19 by 33?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I got the answer 19 by 33 and 28 by 35.
19 by 33, correct?
Ma'am, and the second one is 28 by 35.
Yes, good. Moksha, have you got
Done,
the answer?
ma'am. Can I show, ma'am?
Yes. Yes, good, Moksha. Abhinav done?
Doing, ma'am.
Ma'am, completed.
Aryan, show.
Ma'am, done, ma'am.
Dharya, show. Yes.
Ma'am, my camera is not working, ma'am.
It is not working. Good, Aryan.
Thank you.
But before a few minutes, it was working. You were
Ma'am.
visible.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Ma'am.
I messaged too.
Okay, Dharya, just send it to me, okay?
Yes,
Ma'am.
ma'am. I'll send it, ma'am.
Ma'am, is the answer 22 by 37 and 28 by
19
43?
by 33 and second is
28 by 45.
Abhinav,
Ma'am,
your
what were the
answer.
numbers?
Am I audible,
Hello, ma'am.
Abhinav?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you
Your
say those numbers again?
Yes, just wait.
Ma'am, is it 8 or 10?
It is 10, beta. This is the and sign.
Ma'am, A is equal to 7 and 10. Oh.
A10.
Ma'am, A is 7, right? A is 7 and A 10.
Four into 7 plus 5. So it will be 21 minus 2, 19 upon 33. Now A10 will be 3 into 10 minus 2 upon 4 into 10 plus 5. So it will be 28 upon 45. Okay, Abhinav?
Yes, ma'am.
So children, today we have learned how to find the first 5 terms, or you can say how to find the indicated terms in which the another term is given about the arithmetic progression. Okay? Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, but we will meet tomorrow again. Bye-bye, all of you.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.